go to your car seat? Huh? You wanna go to your car seat? Huh? We need. Hi! Who's that? Daddy need to fix your seat belt. Good. Where are you going today? Huh? We need to pick up your favorite ano yung favorite mo? Favorite food? You need to pick up. Dito sa Australia, dapat kasi yung mga baby, dapat may car seat. Dapat secure na secure yung seat belt nila. Or else, baka masita. Very good. Sobrang bango, grabe. Ube pandesal. Clark, can you smell it? Ito. Ube pandesal. Yan. May pandekoko pa palang sinama. Let's go, Clark. Sobrang bango ng pandesal. Bagong luto. Itong pinuntahan ko kasi bagong luto yung pandesal. Sobrang bango. Pauwi na kami. Pauwi na kami ni Clark.
Help yourself, Clark.
Oh, hold daddy, hold daddy. You can do it. Oh, give it to mommy. Oh. Pandesal.
Oh, thank you. Oh, what's that? Ube?
Pwede si Clark nan?
Oh, pwede naman.
Oh.
Hi guys, good morning. So today, kakatapos lang namin mag-grocery. So today, since it's Easter Sunday, we made an gumawa kami activity tama na English. Gumawa kami ng activities for Clark egg hunting since hindi tayo pwedeng lumabas. So sa bahay lang tayo. So we spread yung mga eggs sa backyard. Ayan, tignan mo doon. Ayan.
Oh, you know, eggs oh.
For
Mga
Clark.
nakasabit na eggs oh.
Para may activity si Clark.
Eggs. Yun po.
Oh, go get your basket.
That's your basket, Clark.
Ayun. So, ayun, kinalat ko yung mga eggs sa backyard. And then, meron din dito sa loob. Pasensya na guys, magulo ang bahay. So, yan. Ayun o. How cute is that? And then, there's one more here. There's one here. Then, wasan yun? Iba kinuha na niya. So, there's one. Yeah, over there, everywhere. So, Clark, where's your basket? Come on, go get your one. Go get your basket. And then your bunny ears. Ay, wait lang.
Nahulog yan eh.
When mommy said, ready, get set, go, dun ka lang maghanap ng ano mo, ha? So, here it is. Here's Clark. Ready?
Go, go, go.
Go, go, go. Ready, get set, go. Get it in. You put it inside, go.
Put inside.
Put it inside.
Put it
Go.
inside.
Wow, there's one more.
One more.
Yay! And then one more pink
Yan
here.
pa oh. Pink oh.
Yay! And one more.
Wow!
There's one more in there. The green one. Come on. Orange. There's one green here, oh. Come on.
Ayun pa, Clark oh.
Go, go,
The green
go.
one. The green one. Nasa
Happy.
taas.
Yay! And then there's one more in there.
Oh. San pa? San pa? San pa? There. There. Oh, Daddy will help you. Daddy will help you. Oh, here. Here, here, here. Yay! Wow, dog.
There's a big one in there. This is surprise.
Ayun oh. At the corner.
Surprise egg.
At the corner. Oh.
Surprise egg.
Nice. Hey.
Yes. Green one. Yeah. There's more inside. Come on.
Get inside. Get inside.
Attention na guys. Magulo ang bahay. Kaka-grocery lang namin. Right there. Go, 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 go. Yay! There's
There,
a
oh.
bunny in
There.
the sofa.
Oh, laki niya na. Oh, hindi na magkasya.
Nabuntis ka na. Buntis na.
Buntis.
Oo.
Buntis na.
Wow, you got
Buntis, oh.
a bunny and an egg.
Wow.
Nakuha mo lahat? Oh no! Oh no, no sound. It's okay.
It's alright, Clark.
It's okay. Wow! Show daddy your bunny.
Mr. Bunny.
Yay! So guys, ayan, masaya na siya. Ay, ang pangit ko naman dito. Hindi bagay sa akin yung nakatali. So guys, ayan, tapos na. Ganun lang kasimple. Para masaya siya. May activity siya. Dahil bawal lumabas, Easter egg hunting sa labas. Dito na lang sa bahay. Oo, you're right. Come on. Can you show mommy your bunny? Wow! It's a bunny!
Bunny, ah.
Nag-grocery kami. Hindi lang ako nag-vlog sa grocery store kasi ang hassle mag-vlog. Hassle mag-vlog doon. Kasi naka-gloves ka pa, naka-mask ka pa, oh. Saan ka pa? Nakuha niya, guys. So, yan. Masaya naman siya so far. Ba't ganito naman tong camera mo? Ang pangit ko pag ano. Oh, there's a dinosaur inside an egg. It's a dinosaur egg. There you go. Oh, hindi niya kinakain yung...
Mom,
Open, please.
Open.
Oh, daddy will help you.
Oh, Daddy will open it for you. Clark,
So,
ah.
hindi niya kinakain yung chocolate. Yung laruan lang yung gusto niya sa loob. Ayan na. Yay! What is
what's that?
inside? It's a dog? It's a dog naman!
Dog?
It's a dog!
Dog. Ano alam natin?
Pakbet.
Pinakbet? Favorite ko na naman. Gluto si Mami, pinakbet. Favorite ko. Si Mami. Si Mami na lang daw magpapakita. Favorite ko yung pinakbet eh.
So, after the grocery, after namin mag-grocery, nagluto ako ng pakbet, tapos nag-egg hunting kami.
Favorite ko yan.
So, ayun nga. Clark, pumapasok yung fly! Sarado mo! Ayun, oh, tissue guys. Nakakita kami ng tissue. Nakita kami ng tissue. Sa ano ngayon, ang technique ko na ngayon, sa mall na ako pumupunta. Doon na ako nag-grocery. Kasi yung mga malalapit na grocery dito, walay tissue, walang wet wipes. So, ayan. So, bumili sa mall kami, sa MacArthur. Pakbet, fried rice. Yeah, and fruits, and some fruits, and Clark's food. This is Clark's food, sweet potato and pumpkin. So, yeah. So, kakain muna kami guys. I'll see you guys later. Nes, ang gulo na naman. Oh, ba't di mo binibigay sa akin?
Kinain ko na.
Ang katakawan
Sa
talaga sa
Singapore.
chocolate.
Lagi kami binibigyan nitong chocolate na.
Ganyan, Bunny?
Oo.
Ba't hindi ko alam? Ba't
Pero
hindi ko
maliit
alam?
lang yun. Sa taon.
Oh, so kaya kinain mo ha? Ang takaw talaga. Hindi man lang ibigay sa akin. Hindi man lang sabihin, sweet, binigyan kita ng
Let's eat na.
Now, let's go! Eating
go!
time! So, we're just gonna eat guys. I'll see you guys later.
See you guys later. Clark Vlog take over. So, kakatapos ko lang paliguan si Clark. Pag weekend kasi, ako nagpapaligo kay Clark eh, para makapagpahinga naman si Mami. Oo nga, yun naman talaga. Clark, so, do you wanna sleep na? Ha? Do you wanna say bye-bye to them? Ha? Clark? Clark? Busy? 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 Hindi ka pa nakapagsuklay ng buhok? Ha, Clark? Ha? Suklay ng buhok? Ha? So, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye na to the camera. Bye-bye! Bye-bye, Clark! Bye-bye, everyone!
Baba,
Good job!
See you!
See you on our next vlog! On our next vlog! Close the lens!